myself, I would like to thank all of you for taking my time out for this introductory session of public candidates. I would also like to thank ICAP and Commission for providing me this opportunity to introduce myself to members in Islamabad. So here is my brief introduction. My name is Mohammed Nasir Munir and I am currently working as partner audit and assurance with House St. George's Company, which is one of the oldest firm of chartered accountants in Pakistan, established since 1947. So with a track of distinctions all the way to my higher secondary school examination, I started my professional career with the firm in 1997 as a trainee student. I qualified in the year 2001 with a gold medal in ICAP professional examination by the grace of Almighty Allah. So in 2005, I was entrusted with the partnership of the firm by the senior partners. So this time, I have decided to contest forthcoming NRC election with a view and aim to share my time and energies for the uplift of NRC region. And my aims are briefly, in this regard briefly described as under. Number one, using NRC platform for the effective technical and professional uplift of members through effective CPD activities. And I think in this regard, we can always pursue our members to let NRC know about their professional needs and passion so that we can accordingly arrange CPD activities. Number two, establishing a small technical information cell which will work in coordination with the Technical Advisory Committee of ICAP so as to assist members to meet their immediate professional issues and questions and all other matters. Number three, arranging formal and informal discussion forums for members and students. In this way, I think we can have their ideas about education, practice and members industry in an interactive manner. Number four, seeking confidence of employers of the region to let NRC know about their placement needs, and I think we should act as a first contact for providing them information about members seeking employment, and for this purpose we will also maintain an employment register. So in the end, I would also like to share my main idea and motivation behind this forthcoming NRC contest. So this profession has contributed immensely for the development and recognition of myself, and I think this is the high time that I should give back something to this profession. So I have decided to contest this forthcoming NRC election so that I can work with honesty and maybe with some passion and profession. So I would also like to share my previous services to ICAP. So I have worked for 3 terms as an active member of Accounting and Auditing Standards Committee of ICAP. And in the end, I would again like to thank for your valuable time and giving me your patience here. Thank you.